Do you have a simple go-to pour-over recipe that works well for beginners? I totally do. The same 5-pour recipe that I used at the World Championships is one that I would recommend to everyone just starting. When you take the volume of water that you need to do, divide it by 5, and just pour with a center pour and then a circle pour 5 times. It's very simple and straightforward. And it's also one where I believe that the grind setting doesn't matter quite as much. You can have slightly coarser or slightly finer and still get away with a good result. You don't need it to have it exactly smack on the grind setting, like if you were doing a very fine 3-pour method. That being said, I also do enjoy doing 3-pour methods, 4-pour methods on different coffees and different equipment. And it's something that I tend to do more with clean wash coffees when I'm looking to extract a lot. But for me, I prefer generally a 1:15 ratio, around a 1.4 TDS, getting a really more body forward, sweet, balanced cup. That's my personal preference for a coffee. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and I hope that you got some benefit out of these questions that I just answered. And yeah, anytime that you have more questions, don't forget that you can always reach out to your coffee professionals around you. There are people in cafes and roasters who are always willing to help. And otherwise, there's plenty of content on the internet to find out what can make your brews better, and also any sort of equipment that you need to get better. Thanks and happy brewing.